In this video, I would like to show you how you can uninstall a program from your PC. What you need to do is just move to your PC control panel. After clicking the control panel, you come downward in your left hand side where we have programs, and click uninstall programs. After clicking uninstall program, you get all the program running in your PC here. What you need to do is just click the program which you want to uninstall. So I happen to install a cracked version of Starter 17, but it refused to open. I tried to crack it and it refused to open. So that is the program which I want to remove from my PC. I will click that program and then click uninstall. So the program and features, are you sure you want to uninstall Starter 17? I'll click yes, and now the video installer is preparing to remove my Starter 17 from my PC. Let me give it time. So the Starter 17 is removing from my PC. Yes. Let us give it time in order to uninstall this program. Okay, as we are waiting, don't forget to smash the red button so that you never miss out any of my future content like this. Also, you can support me by just giving this video a thumb up. It will just uninstall based with the speed of your computer. So my computer might be a bit slow or a bit faster than yours, so it will be based with the speed of your laptop or your PC, any which you are using. Let us wait. Let's remain patient. So it is 1 second remaining. You can see the program has been removed from my PC. So in order to ensure that all the updates are washed out, you can just restart your PC. But since I'm recording the screen, I will not be able to restart the PC. So you restart it, you restart yours, and that is how you can uninstall a program from your PC. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you.